Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. If you're just starting your workout journey in 2025 and want to get fit without spending a dime, this video is for you. Today, we're exploring the best free workout apps for beginners on both iPhone and Android. These apps are user-friendly, packed with features, and designed to help you build healthy habits without overwhelming you. Let's dive right in. First up is Nike Training Club. This app offers a wide range of beginner-friendly workouts, from yoga to strength training, all for free. It's available on both iOS and Android, with easy-to-follow videos and customizable plans. One of the best parts? It tracks your progress and motivates you with badges and tips. If you're into branded gear, Nike might just be your go-to. Next, we have the 7-Minute Workout app, perfect for those with busy schedules. As the name suggests, it focuses on quick, effective routines that you can do anywhere. It's super simple for beginners, with clear instructions and timers. Available on both platforms, this app is great for squeezing in a sweat session during your lunch break. Plus, it's completely free with no hidden fees. Don't overlook MyFitnessPal, which goes beyond just workouts by tracking your nutrition too. For beginners, it offers easy calorie counters and basic exercise logs. Compatible with iPhone and Android, this app helps you understand how diet and activity connect. It's intuitive and has a huge community for support. Last but not least, Adidas Training is another fantastic option. It features guided workouts, personalized recommendations, and even audio coaching. Ideal for Android and iOS users, this app keeps things fun with gamified elements and progress tracking. Remember, while it's free, some advanced features might require a subscription, but the basics are more than enough for starters. In summary, these apps, Nike Training Club, 7-Minute Workout, MyFitnessPal, and Adidas Training, are excellent choices for 2025 beginners. They make fitness accessible and enjoyable. I recommend starting with one that matches your goals and trying them out. Don't forget to download, get moving, and share your experiences in the comments below. Stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.